Café au lait vs latte. What's the difference? There are so many ways to drink coffee. Sometimes we know just what we want, and sometimes it's hard to choose. This choice is made even harder when you don't know what every drink on the menu is, let alone how it's made. An example of one of these drinks is a Café au lait. This creamy drink originated in France and is more popular in Europe than in the US, where lattes seem to be a popular choice. So what exactly is a Café au lait, and what makes it different from a latte? Let's dig into the Café au lait vs latte distinctions. What's a latte? A latte starts with fresh brewed espresso shots, and then steamed milk is added, often with a light layer of foam on the top. This drink became popular because it offers the bold espresso flavor people want, but with a creamy, smooth flavor from the milk. People like to customize their coffee, which is the reason lattes became even more popular. There are many flavors available to add to your latte for a personal touch, like peppermint and caramel. What's a Café au lait? Café au lait translates to coffee with milk in French, and that is exactly what it is. To make this drink, you start with hot, strong coffee, typically made with a drip coffee machine or a French press. This fills the bottom half of the cup, and then hot milk fills the rest. The milk in this drink is always hot, or else it becomes a different drink called white coffee. What's an American Café au lait? There is also an American version of Café au lait that originated in the most French part of the US, New Orleans. This version is unique for a few reasons, the main one being the addition of chicory in the coffee. Chicory is a plant that has a very woody taste. This gives the drink an extremely distinct flavor. The milk in this version isn't steamed, but scalded or heated right up to the boiling point. The last reason this version is different is that it's usually served with a sweet treat called a baguette. This is a ball of fried dough coated with powdered sugar, a French version of a donut. Thank you for watching. I hope you liked the video. Subscribe to the channel and share this video to a coffee lover friend.